na empempi no say ye kan say ya na efe enkanka police fo aduane omu bedi ene omu nso omu benom esan say ye di abato echiache en no ma bebre ho aye hu obeko police ni gina waye twan omo mu sa aduane no wa obedi ono so abontimi ka so ogya ha akwa akodidi
2016 elections pa
ayasem so wa hyebo say we dey nya dey
oso mbema omo aduane
e bia come do omo dodo
enye oso mbema omo aduane na ye hwe ni mu se nne
me current na me kohwe me tuka na me kohwe
sa
me tuka na me kohwe
na abacho no emo 10 kura na ehu ni obere
aba no de omo beto hwenti
ye be kwa
kohwe police for na come do omo no
ene hia
me come do omo ose oja ho kitwa bi so okoto aduane adia na no the superior be si na chi pepepa wonya asem na sukom de no ekomo de no na ogina ho
nipa nso nyedua
ye nhwe so mbedi omo eboshe so na atwedebofo no so wonum abusua wonum eda ha sei ohunura eno anam ka se ebeye wedie ni bi Rauf Tanko ne samse ahidie ni bi wansan de Rauf bo samse ahise pan onya bo na so sorry free me kwam muti kwam sorry free ho asa agura asa nwan afi samse hi waye eyi alert not ho ohwe ne ekoso parliament ni anasa hi fa
Kennedy di on tank na sa ona de ne se ono wo ya obekeka bi atro
say black belt no unya black belt na rules ho you just don't fight
nti you say be a true critical e pa ansana
onko basa
sabe bibia don say bibia no
ano na boxer ye muntumi nko rough abonteni
aya wo sha Mike Tyson no aka chense o you go rough
na so no we different
na so a boxer
or exceptional ono tise buku mbanku
na Muhammad Ali wa muni pa ba 7 wa body ababu sezi ya
na ni omo ye no hu
You say I'm a boxer. You say I'm a boxer. I don't have to you tell me because I'm a boxer. Once somebody's fooling around before me on the street, I should look at the person like that. Me Muhammad, I'll beat you.
Why we cry caution and no cry no be say nyasem.
I'll beat you.
Why we dey na libre so so. Na enra ntokwa no course na de ba kwa na ye ne Abednego din komo na o kan na emwa ne se ntokwa no we say ntokwa ne se koya ntokwa gidigidi kwabra na de ne sa bru table so ne ade ye se na enye time a o mo de setinti no empanyifo ntimi nka ho hwe
kwaku parliament for hihye no mo de ye adwuma no hu etoda wutibia ubedwa wutibia enu nti no obi te se swame MP a wosan ye majority leader ne wa pushia se standing orders o mo de ye adwuma no omo amende. I don't know how far baby or drew with
some the code of ethics biba. No, no. Every
code of ethics we said no. No. And ye may be a hono more and binding nipa ne say konise say standing orders no or much me amendment na was some ye say told that much me quote running she be free standing orders no what one no business and we say ehun here especially omonta ade omhye kwanye language was so use and some was so can near maybe on my team say bra so say was so modern mu se ni nyina akoso a kanya ne say na ye kwotu a kire wo say wa bra sa ntokwa isi ye no na sitting no mon sha ase ye mbebo mpa ye enhye sitting na say even though say si wo chamber honom no na ye nhye hwe ase
enti no
obi kontem no mkokon o montokwa na omuwie na obi afa ne baabie
enti yese gise muntaka officially otro
ana se obi kra reason on the floor of parliament say ne onu muntaka de Canada Japan de call say wayi Hussein anim enti no ye ntwena so no enu say nko obi an reason wo floor ho no mo a ko obi antumi nsom so ne akoban say muntaka de ato ho say asem a mahuni emmoa ye egu yanim ase enti munsom enti so obi reason ana say muntaka na so de kwa ena mpadimfo betumi aye hu bibi omra no no omode
adwuma bia wo mu brofo
na yesra omo wahu o kan na bia kasan ukọ ada jurisdiction na yetumi di nkonwa ko yetumi yesei Ghana yenuru ho samse ahimu die kura esi ye no wo hwa na ye ade bia nipa no kura ni nna no ho so se besi ne sa niema no enti se ye ko ni sei parliament o mutumi ko ene e ba se mu ye debate ni we ya we di na no beba ba mu wie no mu didi omu kodi omu fufu omu ko cafeteria ho no mu didi ni omu ya ebe ye onwanwa ebedru extend say afede we gina ha we gina meto na kwanya me do be fa so no kwanya me yo say ya ye system na wo ho no ye maintain na leader so wo ho no mu say speaker on fa ne nan si form on speaker we ye obi a why member of parliament eda mpanimfo ana ye bu omo parliament won ko parliament omo a ye de omo tena first seat wutim se wache bo ho nanim anyam wo kasa ene onya soye ye wo se speaker kra wuti adwam no obewu se ye be frɛ no agyamu a mujeja ho no mu nyina Michael Kwe ka ho oye parliamentarian no ka ho ya se onya de na sem etodampo maami wo ho no mo Madam Joyce Bamfordado se assembly be top no so na ebi omo debate a o se ma menyim panimfo we no madwen omo ete sa first obi ti se jogate abambaben sa be na azoka mo me se azoka
papa usu ankoma mo
ba ku ya ne ba wi mi findi sorry
adien
Cletus avoka ene wahu ye wonipa bi ono mo ka asem no eto ho a utim se asem no so mo hia so obeso ne so no ye bia enti oba no nipa ni se papa we die se ne ositie no na dwuma beso ani ne no mo friend forces of darkness voter region MP a woko ye do eja ho na nanka nipa hu ne se papa we de wo be ye beyire anhwe ya confusion beba enso do eja ho ba ye kwan ofa so ye na dwuma no ye so tan okwadu anu ayi ni mirika even parliamentarians ni be di ne ho adanse se wo be ye adwuma enti yesre speaker Michael Kwe eba enwuma a wo ye wo parliament o sempuntu dwuma wo num adan wo num hyehye ye boa workers wo parliament ne sa niema na utumi sa niema ekoye na momo within omo a parliament no ni MPs ne ka ni omo ewo minority side no da bi omo de na speaker na say oye bias na eno de minya approve wo ho ende o maka so omo ntumi mfa bibia ma say na tie but say discipline omo ayen discipline on fan na insi form se nipa no woni party mo so wo minority so wo hino was say discipline ye adwuma wo hono mo
captain ye be common na ewia sutu okrafo na watu momonefo wo ho ye se adigya wane e dia so awo sanso na bekwe ndi fatana kono enye se bia wotin kwankwa nu ase no to da metete kwakwa ansa ye be fro so we wona bo no naturally woni mu nyam it wonne ye wonante wo kasa wo se ho te etimi ko ba se ba bia ye se wo mafo mani mu nyam ko an na ehye ho house of honorables na fe be wiase ye de ho koda ne bukum arena
na kwagu nim sa honorable term no mo a ke wo se use mo Ghana
speaker ebe ye ne de na mu na nkasa na wo ko ho no e wo se hu se sabe pete ba woni di wo bola so etu ko to se pete si bola so a emfa ho ne se de ne ketu ana ne kesi sitie no wo yapu na anwene woni no nam
Abushan yede daily graphic a shase wo da ubon krata enum na ne MP Sanra ba kwa bo black belt ba ko sisi wo free zone wo enti ne ho adene wo mu nyina mo ho adene we see you don't know say me zongo boy from Aswasi we so say me black belt ka kwa me fa so me cream wa hwe won ye ka say me cream wa obi opento kwa no use that time no me cream wo say explain it to Ghanaians ne enti a resign ye chinchinga na we so to fa ho na chesa asem ni bi won ma eduma mano eduma mano wahu nya sai bi age so the Bible there no raka
there be asem
no I would say it opa kana me mfiri man
there be who ye review wo ho
we no we di anim ne edamanim na
there
anim
be
well omu use unprintable words that means nya me na we said that unprintable words na make even the paper cry no aye na yi
there no kan na ye won
parliamentarians Rebecca said that is unparliamentary
there no kan na ye won
yes you are pushing me
there no kan na ye won
don't push me
there I'm not pushing you say it
there no kan na ye won
so they went to me and kan sa na ye be ko ni
bibi o kan na ye won a floor of the House of Parliament Ghana nyina na si wono
oh
and you telling me you can't say it there no
na also unprintable words into unprintable no men kofa no way
be sanya review no nkwa na wo ye uba so watch wadwen
adwen de wo
speaker mad discipline that no paper nim
paper no say enra mrahye badwafo mienu
wutie wo hwe
wonum suban ya woda na di mehwe ye it say explain it to Ghanaians the reason na enti a we resign yes ma nhwe video no yes
ejiji na Adom TV live no pay
enti efie be kwa kwa
eti no graphic animpanimfo mienu ne dedem Alhaji Muntaka Muba kana Canada Japan mu nyina so chichi na che se obi ani nye na omo deda ha sei omo ya de obo moden
omo ya de
ka shegbe ye omo tena
Canada hu ne sa se omo tu omo ani test ni so
sa na omo so hu ne se Canada gumra hye badwa na anim ase
asem akoya afane fa inti mpanyifo hwe no monka
na yada so wo graphic kro no
asamba bada bio
ade oto
asamba bada bio danko magana mrashe bedwa masemi besi ho opani be fani chanu wedwani o enkwada ni nsu bedwani o asamba bada bio
Etwaso abisia kapti abrewa bi ane ane kwa so wo mani abro preach no say aye ma uro mensa ho me dia go na team na o menje fo bi ne ne oye na no pa
Methodist for that me comment this near tire munyi musika bo fa magin ka de kwa won to munyi musika
Abujavo etwaso wan fa bi anyese ya ware ya wakoma na krata famiensa the one krata daily graphic mu na yeda so we ene ayawaso wesu wagon by election no eba so na electoral commission for edi kan de kokobaba wo mo chese NDC amanyoko na hyase ene wonu mu bo wosomo ene nwiemu na register na bloated wo mo si hwimlotu ye enye balloon adwuma ene o mo koye ne na hwimlotu ye na nranka champion for the betu dwa no ne o mo kan se amanyoko ahodo a ejina e wo constituency wonom no wo mo so mo di card register no list no ma won list o mo di card ma wo mo no na population nipa waso oto aba no eye 87,580 na wonu ko mu no ko hu se da bi se na ye to aba to no eto ye 2016 no nipa bi a na woni ho no ma wo ma amanfo to ma wo eye proxy voting eni wonum so a chese no da ye beto aba no wonya kwan enu nti odi ka to ye special voting no se na nka sa list hu etu ko hu ye keka niema bomuo no ana nipa waso oto aba ya na ye 87,000 no eba 88,745 enu na NDC amanyoko embenfosi ye krofo na blotu wa blotu register no wo de krono wo be bo krono wom electoral commission se da bi na chese NDC amanyoko nkra wa hyeda kire o masemi o ma kire mu se ade ne sane esitie ni na o ma hu se bo apayom no nipa no abowochi mu po se wo mbetwa o madapa na o munam na o mutwa o madapa nti electoral commission benimfo se woni pa cross ne bu gina bani bi ana sa wo ya amanyoko na aka ho a ma bo nto yem kro no sem bi anim sane NDC amanyoko no emu nipa eka no na abushia ye nto aso wo graphic kro na mu ensam na to de bi so ahi ebi woti anache se wo pese wa nkasa wo ma prescription wo ye doctor ananko ama se nipa we ye mfedro we ma no be ma wo no wawa wo ba wo ne tie no oba no awawa no na ne mamiensa wode wakwa awade se na be mai wo ba ne mamiensa no kwaku ni omu nyina da
oriyom
wo wi guess miensa ni nyina na ohun
onim say the Nigeria for friend
wo mo friend say
mo friend ibi na nwa
you
won't bite mama you won't bite pikin
we dey nya pikin nya one pikins
edura wia orukuru edura nadwo na wasa da ne boja no hunhunam
na hwe me hwe be ma no age no ene nkwada no age na ma story no me hu ne se e wase ehu oba no so age by nimunim yase nipa wedi se nyambransemi no wo yekwiani ye fe no Abraham Tete wedi 37 years enkwada no a woto wo momona no baako wo 20 years 20 baako wo 18 ana baako wo 16 enti 37 years no oba ben ene wo wade no ya ne ma baako edi 20 Bakwadi 18, Bakwadi 16.
Nurse Oche almost 17 years.
17 years. Into a mama mean what is saying? 17.
Oko baby it's central region. Some villages are 17 kwano. With me should be a 17 no 2.
Oh, sir, and be a man no want them. Obano and
be a want them. You find out.
Sir. Ayo. Enti yes, kro potting assembly free seas on your friend or a man pay here. A man paying number 2 a watch for that mine. The one mona abantie, one in a year, and it has said ne stepdaughter seat here. Near some Miami and saying, I will cry the men canon quada 2018-16, dear one more Maya. Ena yes one ni obi ada eto da afuom no one e bia koda eto da afie won meto da jade yes ba bia wo de fa enti enkwada ne wadi 16 years no one ne nyem ye ena okotwa aduro ma no se wonnom no onyi anyense nmu eno na ho ntoma pa ya aprosifo de kwache no ane ebeto odwanse o se enyo no nko minuanom yensa nyina aka mo na wo we yen enti enne yes mra ye efa mo na atro mu wo mayimu no abanti ani ni bedi na se bono a wan kodem a emfie aduonu num 25 years chese wo bekom na omampani dada John Dramani mama ne yedi ni betwa to Mary anani amponsa na twroye wose mampani dada John Dramani mahama na wo ahwe delegacy ekoto aba ne se wo abeto aba no ama no a wo ye NDC ni bia no se NDC ba power ubedide oberesa etimonto emma no
Yamfa delegate de obokrata na emfanto aso na Canada akompre kwa Japan ni mfonyini eda ha washata de fita na wode ne sesi ne bote se de obi fro na busa se eme ana sa pepepe ene opanyini aye na yesi police invite Kennedy over Anas boys meda itina yesi munsem no na yesi police for mato msa de afre no so amra no metena se na ensem no de owoka fa hu bia wonka ne nyina mfanto o manim se ya abrantie soali wodi ka de ne mfonyini beto monten se ya wokoka ye se omanfo ehia no ewo babia na dwuma no won potem ho a ono Kennedy akompre ko dwuma no won potem ho a na ne omtumi de omosa keka ne ade no obo mu chidoma bo madonten ene abrantie ne free so wo free mu nsema waka de afa ho a sambre wo so de 100,000 ene ode ato so wa obi hu abrantie no nipa wuku no babi ohibia no be ya police fo asotri ne enkoche no yesi kura do sanso de fia ka ho etiemu nsam no na aha na yesi BBC fo enso se wone Kennedy akompre ko Japan be twetwe nkomo na afi wo mahwe ensam a mabobo so ni nyina na afi wo de ato mo ni mesansa branch ne free so to anana mo nse do no BBC Al Jazeera Huffington Post ewiase amansan ne de obokra tanwe ni nyumeku awodo a o manu group no nyina da obi ade na no tum echirim sa rofo ma akoso Ghana ne de sune eni kwan se ebi nso timisie na de obokra taya na ode abeto dwa wo se NDC aya waso West Ogun abato no wo mo yo madwene se nkaja anko mefa ka ne chichiri kwan so na nko mabokro no nso nyame apo mo krata they say they adani susumabo MPP fo se NDC fo nya kro no mbebo NDC fo se MPP fo wo mo nya kro no mbebo ne mom delegate dia wo de ba ne de wo se NDC fo ne nya kro no mo bebo ene wo de won se ma ba beto monte na ha na wo mampanyina ase ho wo de se ma tudwa wo se IMF fo
nso mi no hwa na ekronfo
obekai se mrebi atwamu se dunkete aba bonten be catch omanfo se eni kwan se omanfo hu amanyofo so omoya akromfo was stop labeling politicians as thieves now so minu mienu yete ya obi amebo politician bi akro no obi amebo mo se obi ameka ntrom so na wo ma akromfo waka cho politician bi so akromfo wo man wo bi abo no yonko kro no politicians kro ya MPP ba so NDC for akromfo NDC bomb MPP for akromfo woman na bubo mo kro no it say the obokrata ide ba yi se wa hwe ba bi ode fire utumi wo ba bi agina wo se NDC fo no nya kro no mbebo opa ye fa krata ye gidi se ene NDC fo twempena anaso mo twaka bi wo so de beto monten se MPP fo person mbo kro no
ayo yemfa di chronicle ento aso
minwe so what come at the no
maka na
your questions bi busa
on
there were 9 questions to ask on Monday. Now, Busan and the production team no say you hold on.
Yeah, was something.
There were 9 questions to ask.
And no mubisa Ghana for na mubisa police.
Yeah, you be busa 9 questions.
What will go from him?
Aye. You be busa only just 9 questions.
Aye,
Ibini Monday.
Man.
Bitimi comedy. 9 questions. It's here for Munya. Who's a Monday? And I say, won't you know? Well, our phone, so that's say. But Monday, you 9 questions.
Monday, metro penny paper.
You want 9 questions to ask.
9 questions. Maybe be a befa. And then Crawford was
that BBC interview? No, why we?
Only BBC for Casa.
Only BBC for Casa.
Emun Semino. Nese, the Okai Yan Okan from.
The guy was pushing him, say, Odi Infonino Ebetro, one Ujitum say, what guy no near we and a Kahubi, and now you come no.
Wouldn't say on that particular question. I disagree with people who are asking Ken that question.
Because the Koban is an prayer.
Sa question I am be second in Japan. Mentia says be second in Japan.
The guy went further to say who exposing no.
There be where expose you because they came to deny the pictures. Say no one.
And then they are psychological.
It cannot be psychological.
Psychological.
No, you see?
No, because they have to protect him.
That is why the omuye no nenye. If indeed Sanoye Ahmed can exposing the pictures, I knew what I could deny. They should have really come out to say that yes, so you didn't jack in Japan or Ghana Police Service here this protection.
No, but at the end of the day, to Ubet means so I can say no, as a way of protecting him.
That will never protect him. Nipa no him so na ye exposing identity. Now so can say no.
So that you provide security.
No.
Back door.
No.
Now go can say no and na just say crown confirm you put in danger more.
Yes, no one protecting ye.
Who the tigosi enko.
Mo the security dia agro. Kwesi Parker will sing. Ewa so West Wogon. Edin mo ya born say.
Kwesi Parker.
Debi edin Wogon and a Wogon. Whichever there's a gun. Question morning. Maybe I find here. Why cow? Question on 7 cow. Ayo. Hello. Ayo. Black question to me.
Kwasi nyante unka de na ese daily guide mami muni ko mu prefa mampanyine de nsem bi atodwa mampanyine se IMF fofo ma yade ye ne o ma twempena che empena twa ne ye twa ne ade ye ho afirim o ma agenti adada ne ye sako ne ya sako kanum maako du so ne o ma twempena na se de tinto tan wo mampanyine se Ghana ne IMF be twempena bi onye ono ne penso na ne wo kona foforo ba wo pa obeti ya ko
nya na breso
o se nya na breso na so ono ti akonwa kese so wati abanwa so se Ghana mampanyine nanado danko akufu ado prima pa de won konkogu Ghana ni masese ye ko ni akwa ye la sulela se wa ma me ni abo se da ewurade adom se ye wosika kokko sika dwete sika bena ye wo de nchemwo wo ho ewurade adom ye timba wasa ma ye fa ngo de aka ho ne no ma ye dade bena ayon yibi wasa nso ama ye manganese de aka ho na sa no ma bo nyina ye no ma etim makwabra ne diye eti ba bi aga na aduru ne de se ye nyini nti o se ye peye bon ya so aware o se ye toye preti ye hia sika o se ya de ya dwene ye nim de ye adwuma se de be betimi de nya sika na mum se ye bekwa kwa stress na abiri bia ye jojo ye IMF fofo na be kire bra ye na ebra ye nsore ebra sebe ye ne ye wiri kra beda rounds dodo e wo se ye ebra e wo se ye timi kona ye fo manfo adwuma ebra ni kwase ye fo manfo adwuma nipa dodo ye fo adwuma sika dodo ye ni ade se obedi do be renam se obe ropocho ni nyina da IMF fofo na be kire ndo mampanyini se twam tintontan enya ne penso de obokrata daily guide ensem bi ka ho no de ba
and you for the chronicle and to so ewo animu ana chronicle so ensem ode aba right to information bill ye no akoye bibie wo honomo emfie baburu se wo honomo emre da mahye badwafo pono so ekina no wada no ade echi ane wabutu no ade echi omode na wose ye ne ye emu nsem na ne yese de first reading na twam second reading aba chese consideration stage no almost o mawie eti aka third reading ni apase right to information bill yenya kind of third timer na say ya pass ye no so ne yeduru hoi
ache
when ye beji
changes na wo mo ye wo mu no so ma ye hu any secret changes
wonim say changes no say omo hwie a ade ne beba beto abonte ama obi anya kan bi wa ye ready say opese wo hu ne ewom no wo betumi anya kan bi eti se ba na bibi nye wo mu a menim ne ba bi e de befa
changes ne yemfa ne say omo de ba na so kan wi na bibi nye wo mu a eno no be ne den obetwa akoma parliament
wo tro kona so mbeti ase de no masesa no mbeti ase ombe pass ba woni parties ni mienu na ade no mo pass no musuro
obi esuro
wo mo mpe
na uni controversy aba so hum MPC so mo pass wi a ya mo grace period of 1 year 12 months na institutions ahodo no fa mo aboa wo mo etine nsem bia wo se mo twobia no matwo krata bia wo se mo boa no bia no maboa no se de be ya wo kwa wo be kona che so maboa ho dada na se si a ye ka se de ye adwuma wa hwe no ma bibiri e be ya chewacho na eno na minority so mo ntiase omo ntiase ya pass ya pass ya mane ya adwuma
ka hu hia so mbenya grace period nenso no ye wo example wo ho omo pass sa disability act no penifoma sen 10 years say yemfa nhwe grace period ni bi edema ye no adan ya yesi a enye disability friendly no ye nhwe ne ye na se unipa cross dan beton ne more than 10 years more than 10 years ye ntumi nye ye
de tie ne say eden ho na ye ntumi mbusa questions eden ho na ye betumi akobusa questions eden ho na ye information ye benya eden ho na ye information na ye nya de benya no esese take how long process no at the same because process na wo build mu no very cumbersome wa bembebu as a journalist
you know captain you bet me the leaders are omodasa committee no ano onmonyamfo banda ne omo akewo legislative committee no so you bet me the omaba no omo machire mu ematiefo nyina ntb etu de yemmo mo so mo se third reading yenwe ne ombe na yenhwe ne besi achi eti chronicle ne odi aba afa right to information bill ho eno no na Dr. Obinfo so no nie chronicle kro no amu etiefo na no se mote ya na court say Dr. Obinfo ni case no brofo omode ba for want of prosecution ya ichesa asem no yemfa ehu adanse mra mieni no yes kwa adubofo no 3 times emprensa wo mo kwa mo wen o mo ma ena judge ne yetoso mienu o ka say ne yetoso miensa se mo ama asemi metwam parted one o manko ena judge ne se watwam na abrosifo ne te ya yeso o ma san di mirika say papa enche so ho adwo o mo so mbe asem no mo san akokanya mu o manya danse ni nti o mbe san akokanya mu biu eti da ubonka te dia ba nanso Ghana Medical and Dental Council penny for so say yamo Ghana men nyina akokọ say still papa no lances ne niema muka say wonye no wonye ye etu nipa cross okokọ a brofo eda ho ne say you do so at your own risk
eno ne ade aya na
wokwa ne be ye obi a wan wa kokun
na ye okrum ha na ya na mera ho ne bio say eyampampa say the Ghana Medical and Dentist Association can say
dental council.
A dental council say yampadia. What stops them from officially writing to the national security?
Yes,
to stop him
to close the place down immediately.
Yes.
Who want him is saying that they want to
and now for where you painted down station.
They be they want to
Kwadwo unse sadwe nye bread di kan esini. Obakaya Emirate Securities and Exchange Commission for any Bank of Ghana di kan ba bonten. And almost a men's good, quite almost fast with the Jumano, and Yamra quine. Oman to
almost a minute to me.
Oma Sabra,
a minute to me, or Mudecotum,
a bayano.
They don't bet me to my court. Would court and don't bet you a 4,500 penalty unit.
Now, so Muko to the Embrana
to mean the injunction found to you may do with this.
And we are not.
Ye train, what am I making you? Ye train ya a fiachi. Essence or mobile no mobile cars a wa wonu mobile ye adwuma no ehun sunsan so ba ye wankasa honkonkonko afiachi ansa na ye betu anamon se de ye nya tumi bi ye nya akonya bi enti se de ye ne wo mobile betwe na de be se ase awie
na ye wie wo chronicle mu papa Adom level wadamfo no ne din se no ano wa charge rough wunim wo se odamampani ase se free bra abanyi ba ye no budget allocation bia mpanimfo ye se ye de bema ne dwuma a wo ye no o se omu di so ade ni nyina ama no enu nti se wo de nani performance auditing se wo kwa akwan a yaye empuntu dwuma a yaye no value for money or ko auditing no ahwe se adwuma no ede ma wo sika ede ma asefa ye adwuma no wo ye ne saa papa dom levo se ba bi ode na ni hwe ne yeto so mienu procurement abadwadie mu no kwan ye fa so di dwama aban no so sen ne ekeka kan no wo kohwem se ade egbe ya ye ni so sen no nanka yentumi mfa nkotenda se nipa dodo bebembre no okocheki ni nyina wo a wo befum bia no papa ne se ne mbete ne nka Ghana ha eti ni aba no
na ne wo bete bobo le bobo Ghanaian Times e fan to as na mampanyine se emputu dwuma afi we ebeso fio na ne wo behwe go se wa efri akwan ede konkanea aresabia wodo wo siesisie ngomesua dankrabia wo siesisie ene honkron ba nyina wo mampanyine se afiwe de emputudwuma be hyeta ewo man mu ntide obokrate friends Ghanaian Times wo de mampanyine fo nyina ba betoa ne mampanyine wa hwini coat black white shirt and what the black tie what the APOSO and what the baby abo and chain say now was a government rolls out projects across the country this year in Sembika Canada compare kwa Japan when the Muntaka Mubarak wamusu funyine daha and the Canada that sounds na yawaso West Ogon about to announce NSEM and also the ha was say ayawaso West Ogon goes to polls today the Obokrata Ghanaian Times in Sembika on what the buy
ayo eni ayemfa the Obokrata the new crusading guide to aswe na enum so no ena ne kokoba Mustafa Hamid so afọ ma zonwo ena odi atudwa se wo manyoni kropa wo be wadwen se zonwo ho na abefa nipo mbe di atutwa se mo mayi mu no wo so okacha manyofo nyina se zonwo nye habo ya ye de woni edi atutwa se mu eguo ya ntu nipa kro edru se me pemacho na nipa na edru zonwo edru se kofa na kanu adu so if you try
parties ni mienu ni nyina no omo vigilante groups na mo no ye nye omo members na line ni enju omo din ni enhwe bebi obi afri so nneka
samu aha ntini Mustafa di atudwa no
ye nye omo vigilante groups members ni na ala
MPP
NDC oba number we ye member no wabodi ni atro ehe na ate
din de so obi betimi abo obi din de ehye
no so waka se
yetia say yesu timi kwa trobo
nipa no wodi
o trobo kwadwo yesi ga ukwa abricha Ghana ni yetimi boya santoa na bema pa na bojuse kuwa no asore
but nipa na age so so amra no be bondin
eti obi betimi abo obi din obodin na ebe de hu say no kore
ayo eni papa puni frempon so enie kane pania no oda Christopher nkamomukuo ano
so ma me na fe ye ne Dr. Thomas Boaben or a political scientist and to us Doc, good morning
Captain.
Yes, sir. I think come to you now. What to say?
Ready?
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. So, yeah. My name is Awudi. We near the discussions, the campaign messages. I hold a fire. You so West Wogon by elections when they Kosuya.
Captain. It didn't kind of my main fire. I couldn't so I mean my team in the finished up. And me am a constituency. And see, follow discussions on more campaign messages and kakra. And so see, tension will move but will be a claim to be winning. And so time was one you could do something up to the day.
Tension over here then at the other.
Oh, yeah, normal tension. Say, by election, a by an idea by a man is different from the national election, nationwide one, and it's a political parties in only one constituency. And a Omunina campaign, to me, to me, the money also could go. And no member on there. Omudio could go on the Kobasa, I say, the tension Kakraba, but positive, and yeah, I dare say, and the bonnet. I'm saying, Moha baby, Nana party be a bonyo, sir, commission not to maybe or man tell the papa, but so far, the MSO I agree. Some be contest here. A month for I more ten normal to tension there normal because by election, Bassa all the candidates resources omo manu nyina anom de akugu constituency ho and na generate tension which is positive for democracy.
What show political scientist goggles now when na be winning?
Hey captain, okay idea we me 2016 December no. But share there are so many factors share there no call the ruling party favor. One, say in by election, then the pana na otesono. So we free more. Say we free more. Say the late honorable Jacoya. Yeah, now free be sympathy votes. We free more. Say no buho because we the AC the just nipa pese. Say the kind yamambe mu na say yenka say mu say yenka sabi obi a we free mu echi asembone. Enti no sympathy vote no betimi account. Ye toso mi no. Where's a gap na let demo the other time no about 11,000 na the profile and na demography of omo to abanon share that time be brain no and also tilted a ma winning ruling party no kakra and na the tosu beam candidates no also critical very important and say previous candidates, reason being outstanding ma and this the reason or finding out the entire man for one said and to a man and okay when you know boom almost strength there but like I say you have a ruling party now.
What shall elections when the outcome no bit me a measuring rod am I buying out to see?
Oh Debbie. With the election the factors here, and now the dynamics, the profile of the area, a very interesting area. I also West Wogon. Almost say airport Kahon, Legon campus Kahon. What do you follow elections and I said, the polling station results and about what do you follow? Areas blue how we there, MPP in the baby, areas blue how we there, and this in the baby. Coastal village, more Kissem, more Horne, areas blue her. And and I check from 1992. Chinese Electoral Commission, a mistake be a full certain trend. And very difficult a ban MPP union because I Ghana for say, dear pa, and there be to be very difficult to use it and need enough grounds.
Men's gold, I was a question, and I been at the constituency.
Any man's good,
auntie, we share, which will say one customers, no crown of much as a majority. One I cost to coup part to say more, I mean, can't all count there.
I mean, to mean, can't
it's which I bet me effect, Kakra. I was so with the collapse of all the other banks and people complaining, no money, no money.
Oh. Bet me any effect to cry in so significant say and when you be on to an hour better. Ebia Senka men's good for one of my can say or more reside who say among office no ho. But very difficult to conclude say Nipano a frequency in Moho because you say be free Tamalene dear hobby. Until and no dear only Pabia one things called Basa and but honestly there are some people who are musical hobby. They don't blame it on government. Say MPD with their MPD on every even though you politics are say ye dear. Until a bit me and so crime in say having be brisa.
Mamma was Mr. Wabe. You won't re-elections now better so.
But you won't come.
That's Dr. Thomas Boabe, a political scientist, now to say. You're in the book of Bono. Sir, Asam.
Quadu, yea. Yes, it's so totia. Any who be a Susan, what the body on befa. Will be anywhere within a sabin combetre and a crum coin. Will be anywhere what could call Becas and Mequami album. Will be as we be doing. Sa no duty me the can. What one don't you bring? No mum. senior we ne hu challenge ne hwe be no numbebo ana se yɛmfa nse anwumre be se nonkono de no bi ahu ne smoothness level
Ampafojei ewo ayawaso West Ogon. That's a morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Okay, boy, I'm coming and call then a coso.
Anopay me wo Santana Market. As a Oba Santana Market, baby, ayawaso West Ogon. Because at the heart of ayawaso West Ogon. And politicians no more na believe say the almost saka vote no do hanum si on betimi edi enkunim. Market no nipe woman is very influential. Nti se oba hanum say ya enya asem ketwa na no pe bedru ha no omo 3 polling stations and wo Santana Market hanum say omo A B C bakodo to be frank with you turnout no is very low nipa ba betwa ba e wo ha no meka say nya encouraging kra but obi besi ana ade a yete hu by election monti no ye hwe ni mu ene working day among for susu jom be di nti den ya nipa be waje so be kwa adwuma bi e opon a ba kakra be hu ha ne de beka se ense da ensrani se ukọ Santana Market polling station A according to returning officer owo Ora Amos Gonja Fort o say omo about 776 registered voters enipa hanso eduoso nsia and almost any more say beto aba but kojo mamemfa we ntum say almost conflicting figures kakra wo register them from the horse's own mouth returning officer because almost you manual accounting no I say nipa wasn't commuting a word register no 660 but the ikita almost from electoral commission no 776 some say nipa 27 and beto aba out of 776 expected from beto aba according to the electoral commission register no na and forces so far no BBNC objection agitation etnidie bibiasa NCA you move free ho esan say ABC no etoto asonti no you move free ho ko bi ho so a also registered voters omo hwe ni mu say no beto aba no 668 ahensia eduasia enwotwe so far enipa eduasan baako na beto aba na ho no 27 na ato aba no mpo no unhu so bi e di line mpo officers no etiti ho no a omo train so bi beba aba beto but B no na 31 ato aba but nipa be say 8 e di line mu a afi no so go through the process say omo so betimi akọ to omo there na Dennis Ashford our returning officer ni chemu say so far no munya problem dia na for the first time he say manche bi she coat be mi ensa bi obedro no mo tia no ho no na maybe some say omo party agents ana no so there bi omo national security operatives omo hwe say on be maintaining law and order together with the police form akoma ko be nsia na me hu omo e around me hu immigration officers and say one prison officer so around station C Santana Market polling station C Santana Market also no registered voters according to presiding officer Albert War what you say register easy for the buyer no 620 registered voters and also motuaba almost manual accounting almost 446 if I try to make a free empening for Nankasa enum Albert War our presiding officer Santana Market Station C and this same way too many so far nipa between 16 and ato abano I say a whole no is nipa me no pebi na gina ni mu almost go through process no so bad he said the mekan initially ni say nipa beto abano I say ahokeka ni said the initial they say na me say NDC omo monitoring team Erisu Mahendra ni bi omo abesia omo akone benefo na kudi din koma afi na omo tu omo ka di afri ha comportment hu say obi a comport ne ho obi a baso a nipa ba fi ne baaye ewo station B ho na biometric ne nsa emfa so me say onko horo ne nsa ho won sa amra na mu so ko ya wasa ba oba bi di line so far so good security meka say okay because policemen no e bi gina kwan ho e bi city officers no echi e bi gina side and side bɛka sɛ bibia ɛkɔ kama ɛwɔ Santana market ɛyɛ station 3 a ɔmo ɛsi wɔ ha na ɔmo asɛte wɔ ha sama mfomfanto aba nti abatoɔ no ɛkɔ so
mame na wase na asɛbi bibia si ɛkyerɛ na wabɔ nyehu na yɛnso yɛate bi why
mate kɔ dwumedase
so me da ase na sampofo gye na wote ne nka no
enye nwanwa on se by
elections say omma say Ken ko police for akachi bi se police for no person mo ne Ken kasa omomra parliament
o person o Ken ho asem
na omone ne mekasa
o person o Ken ho asem
our paper ne bi mo
independent or see speaker blocks Ken's arrest na yes police for etrocrat had command speaker say eja wona panyimpa o mamu mrahye bedwafie nyina da wo da no se chiame hene na wo ma ne baako yehia no e wo yakakye ena speaker bi sa say anyembia asem bufie ana na wo se da bi ye pese ene ne twetwe nkomokwa na speaker hwe letter no ene nkomo no pese wo ne twetwe no ene ensama akoso wo manyimu ya woni nkunsa na wa hwe opanyine ne kwa na ye nya na ama wahwe ayase ye bonkomo afi bedru sa wo pese okofie se okọ he zo mi kofie okọ he den o na sa me yire no ma ofie zo da bi ene de obeda
awane
ne to dana boda pi dana boda pi
o beti boboli bobo
dana boda pi se me kwa
we anyu we dey worship asane ya to no o beti boboli bobo ah Jesus so Sasio
no de call
we eda beti police fonka
Sasio Jesus yes you never beti bobo
mami nya yi
ale bobo
mami nwe de
so ma catch am say asama na bio kana ma se bejo mo asaba de bi say
ATS speaker se police for a person no kro ne Kennedy akompre ko atwetwe nkomo a sabi ono wonyera oni ayira duru wo pe no mamu mrahye bedwafie abru bi ho police for mra ho na ye frɛ Kennedy ema police for na o montena o mrahye bedwafie ho na o benya baabi amomatena na enkomo bia na o munni wo mo question bi o mumisa no na so obegya Kennedy se panyini tuka fa ko pie mo police fo akache no nsom no won komo twetwe de nya de beba so esanso wo nyinni se panyine ne kwa hwe obeda fie it independent de obokrata ene
kwami kure no wa homa no so kwami morning
captain video so
bibia bokode
nyame adom ye tia se ne won kwan kwa de e be manage ni sa
wo aya waso na wo west na wo ogun
iwo dowulu ni nyina aka aya waso west ogun abato on peso ano eso
boy nko
me ka say makọ aprowo abato peso amiensa eso a ne dika king of kings international school jowulu enipa eso muto aba anaso muto mu die abato nwuma no eso muto aba no ahanso eni dumiensa 713 na me ka say de nipa dunsia pe na omatimi aba beto omo aba na wokọ bi ni so a enipa eso muto aba wo ho ahansia aduonu ensia 626 na nipa oboto aba no so no aduonu baako 21 ana me firi o me sami call king of kings international school jowulu c no so nipa so oboto aba wo ho no ahanan aduosia emiensa 463 na nipa oboto aba wo ho no du mienu 12 na me ba se den ka edu abato so a wo hu se doma bote kwa na so mwato santre kwa koto aba no ye me kwa po nyina no entesa ase emu eda ho obi aba no aba beto no bia na wokọ na so fa na afọbọ aye boy no omu aye no omu atwetwe nkomo nyina tese eyesimu na omu ba ye so mo hu mu din ama machine no averify mo asese no ohanya mane bia no eni ho na tese afọbọ aye koye ewa abato mpefa miensa no eso no na tese ni nyina bibia da na ko mbọkọ jojo a obi atimi eto na aba obi no ho a waba wan kase bia won hu ni die wo mutine mpani kwa kase bia won ko anaso oba ya odi ni sa esi afide ni so a afide no ntumi amfa no omu do mu fa afide ni nyina na jese bia no obi afide ni fa obi ate se die no ma ko jojojojo e wa ha letini aka se die afobo e boy e wo abato ahodo na pepe family sa so die captain bibia e ye jojojo e wa ha no
Bamenda asekure no bibia si e kira e be kasa
Internet to say about on here and it's happy pen away. So, to the worker independent. No mun na wo na ene ya sama wo bisa and it's who wins Ayawaso West will go by election asim bisa NDC NPP PPP ana LPG Kofi Akolude no Liberty Party
LPG
of Ghana
gas.
there be LPG gas ze so back no so man so ma so asesana into a Liberty Party of Ghana Oma Ghana de chef for the LPG. It is a wine who has the crown Obekaya first Miss Ghana. Na embassy pleasure ka ho. Obekaya sabre no. Agete so am no mo sesa no. MC ni ba no be gina say and who
wears the crown?
It's your Ayawaso West.
It's na niema bi e da che.
Oh, it's easy to know who wears the crown.
And name. Oh, na dey said them. Gab no na ebia na emanu amunja no
Gab no na
ebia
ensheda nye
ti o ha ebeko benkum ana se nifa
ebeko mfimfini
de o ma chance de ya abo na na
MPP besa for almost it's likely besa for almost
ya ko ti say
there are certain constituencies that we ho hwe enye ye whole central opa seat in top MPP nkobu adan ya honi nansi ne foforo emfa
akwai ti se bantama
Menshia. Menshia. Opa. Send this your power. Woman call ye a coin, woman ye interchange within 3 weeks. And for him.
We pray for a change. There was a pattern of
who call advanced
voting,
countries now. Woman was certain constituencies. Even in UK it happens.
Aligned.
Yes, the Papa could be member House of Lords, House of Commons, so to be 40, 50 years. One party.
Just on Wakaso.
Yeah, I mean, I know the Minister was born as a unity. As simple.
Name Pisho on Yadia, so see you know.
I don't quite see a 2 Abama and committee.
I say to me to obey you free.
And the constituency is the same woman you know.
Ni na wo mti e capital ya hwe na ebesi
na kwadwo ade anamenti ase ne se politics the upper assemblyman the upper MP the upper president obi aso oba besom yagitum omso mo ba besom
politics enya som omunja yan dada no
som kwadwo ho na meba no
enka na yidie ye osom
ho na meba no
enka ye yiwo se bedi ye kan ya ka ye som
twi kasa no deficient. Internet will be cabro for now with the coach here, Toda, what's in the
direct translation. Just describe it.
Uber someone near to a banuama wono. Uber Yajuma and work.
Or any politics is work. Yenja said a wombasum be a we.
Now, what I may say,
it's work. But Yajuma
say, oh, Besum. Nasa young fan sequoia. My bow home person besumo. Uwefu mame medro maun, mame meto gote mu maun. Ceiling me hen tin time wo. Mame mfa eyi ceiling brush mame tete maun. Na kwadwo ka so de bi kwakuwa ya de. Me da wase no adwempa. Nemu mia me ma de. Ana me pesa ayo awu 5 na ye ma me. Nti fa wo soma. Na me kugina baabi na misu. Ana me kugina baabi na me ka so nipa we ni trimoden pa wabo metrimoden so amman som na de ba adwe na wo metre.
Enitina enye som no. Eye adwuma wa katua. The politicians know the African politician is smart in deceiving the electorate and smart in stealing.
Obiso mama me kwan na me somo. We dia me sremo se.
Yeah,
mama makwanya na me somo.
Me be somo onsumo bia akwa katua so. Akwa na katua so. Politics is work and work. Eye adwuma e work katua. Enti me yanka twom so be so, be so bia hui.
Captain ye ko na sa be ma we se mra bi wo man mu edi castrating ne be ya
there be castration there
ye
na se o poison cancer no
yensa no
it na se bonani mo de bedwon so kwa
utumi fa wa ba no ma miensa o ma no miensa ne o moda ene ba akonyam de ohia castration ya de mental problem
ben fa mental no nko ho ntem na nya ntem sa
One way I because I go when I
do that you are correct.
I feel I so now you know shada nya papa ntino ubun say fan nko psychiatric hospital we will see Jan na asem no why say nkwara na brabo
why are there be say you be send questions that you need da ho
na dwen mu da ho
na dwen de mu da ho pa
mu da ho obi ha na dwen mu da ho
na dwen mu da ho pa
won say
wickedness
no eba nnamu a ebi so yare wo mu o sex hankasa no emu yade wo ho no mo obi oto nkwada mo na obi a wo ye ne waye bi
we wo mo nya nkwada o wanto mo mo na
o se bi nkwada
ono mo kasa ya mama o madodode o crafty ese busa no questions bibiri
37 years old
Richard Kodwonya ako wo be kai eye kaswa murder case a akwada mfienum ya pod nsase po enra be 725 ho ba bi ne yan nte se akwada nsa no yenye atwa akwada ne se no ho te sen sa ye dey. Good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Akwada ne ho ye
ndezi afaba no hu ye ndeda wo ye operation ma ndeda ye kwa na wada badoya kakra na nyu atoe ma osore kakra na o ye do ma nensa no do nti ehwa nensa na kasa besi na botwa hon oho na o affect nti oho ni nyina we yi ma sisia nensa na baye ensasin nti dem na we kesi nti ne de yenyi social warfare abrase bukwa mankasi district ho na wo ye in charge na onyi ho na wo Cape Teaching Hospital na wo be wo hwe kwana wo bafado my friend so ofiu ha we zi se bohwa ehu a friend onye nensa na we twa no mpo no ye you but how to live with it in after how society even treats from an honor necessary social welfare for no per washe na wo ma psychologist no you know kan washe na washe kwana wo bafada wo be ma a friend we tum watsena ewiaza hamanfo ho na we zidam kakra ehwa afabanizi onye ono no fort no zidam na mum obi na mo obi no do no we zidam intine the so gender and social protection ministry one for central region which one na one branch and one so abade oboshe my friend with ye and that's yet there and kofu bi on pede bo honizin what na obo donate another oboto and sana was artificial hand de bina was a shena wa hwe no wa surgery no you know nka counting that a friend gina bi ni sesi am we kodunyin
bocho nensan wo twen below na betwere na the above na betwere
wanko beyond na betwere ehwe nensana we kisi abetwere nti was nzama achiche mafufu na ehu but ehu de ne your friend beyond na betwere no ze owo and the attempted or madokakra
international obotuma akwan nsenim ofi baby wo twa ne kona betwere no nware bi adem
kwan ze ne da ye hu de or kwanti o ite dem we twa wonsa easy we twa from that pattern bisi wa betwere we twa fi ho nti ebotuma amadoze but de ebotuma mo wonsim on obeyezem
Bamentase, Mentimaricanase. Now, but trying to wait if you all.
That Mamincho Mude and say easy and say easy. A Honda wheelchair busy now, butcher. Butchata,
to a chafy, ne fingers, no double sin abacher.
Exactly, exactly.
It's an abacher no.
Abacher no.
Okay. Na ne mamma no ye ne papa no so wo infa.
And that was one crawl as in Dibia or Abrase Bukamanka magistrate court or my court na shade one phone cook na a day busy Valentine's Day, 14th February, one phone number of court na yen shas years at 70 on all women in Yana Cheda Post for good warrior Shimiti. Papa na ways in fee a jasa is here or 36. Na my mere ways in fee a donate and winning was one of Abanu Kuku. That's my meaning instant. And Nebanusan and Oshinichi in white Neban was my men, stepmother and my men, Cecilia Faban one. But a Frananka biological mother is it? Obi Sinde, Jensen was in Bia, and for Chassin Walker and there. A friend of my may always say mobile warma, I will Kunti. ɔkɔ n'ekyi wɔ serim na mmom ogya ne ba na wezi mfi enum wɔ ha de.
Okay. Na maame na was san nyinse na ɔyɛ mpa ana
enyo onyinsen hwɛ pictures na onye video yi twɛ na ne yefu no abɛsoro ara yi a sɛ mizimenyu akira ɔbɛyɛ abosom bɛyɛ esia na de son.
Okay. And this is social welfare for no workshop of Faban.
This is social welfare no workshop of Faban na. Another way indicated there one resources is to say a month baba number because I feel we are there Oko school. Now what she must and to share a distant relative of the child nanche onya fana katina because we jam I mean papa numpa onye one betan obeyezin. Maka de ma men was ma men ba hospital ho de omosha Faban na fa no hu ya na nintoni himai anade omuna n'enyim kakra. Nti was ma mini fi ho nti se hwe dem ginabi a obeyezin de afra no obesan was na ko bibia na owo na hwe experiences a we go through se hwe de won sample we twa kakra na anhwe mansan wa dondon kakra mpo ne ye wo ye na nsani nyina bo pro abra eda ho taste na eze kwa habe musu ka ho nti afra no afa ye omu pa nti atuto se no to sa manfo de nche wobobua na nche afra no ofi ha how to live with it in the school sem no you know ka ho na azem nche amfo bo no mbo nche wa yi social welfare fena sisi a wo to the manamon
pochona oko school a
enyo wose no KG2
nyo ene da wo kache na anye bia social welfare for no was close relative pen wo hwen senye nde ye pen abofo ma no wonfa na man
obotuma abado ene da wo chem the legal requirement and if it is satisfied another bremen kwan bi wo ha was bafado ema se onye distant relative mpa nyipoko nso pedo onye ne tena obotum was one inside sheshen kata ya se na was afa na ma hon ma wa hwet
aya ka chonde yenso ye hian ye nyana ye pe ai
imati
bona manje man papa de me pen papa what's no ho ye feel there
afa kaba ojinado pa zo ye penyina obey the captain smarta we fra tama oja pentecost aso dem otonwum nti afa no ho ye feel ai
ka chonde won fa nemre mai na me pen
you what
me da se papa rich
you
Richard Kodwonya ako asemi Adom for ya ayade ne yakoso asemi de ba ye bia akwa
multimedia ya sompa na captain omanye
wo mamenye we openi Harry Akasraku wo intermodal shipping agency who accounts department exports department ne account team for ina so mo show happy birthday san so na ba ko bitaha ne papa na ne mama na de bae mama yakua nkansa and your birthday happy birthday o mama Janwa so when you're 12 years in there and be a good girl yeah happy birthday girl
captain se ye ti o maimu na se akwada ni atuni ye ni baby a ye de ne beko na chese ye hu ne anya akwada nra metesi ye social welfare for say omuni sika omuni hwe ye ombetumi di abonti ye sresre
omuni sika
enti sa Ministry of Gender Social Protection sa yi sentence
ministry ne budget na nkasa ye mfama no
wohu mimi hu ne se e wose enya baabi wo mayi mu se enkwada titi seye no ye fa wo mu a evise akwada we wo ye den sa parents we ntumi ne ntina asomwie mu bio omoje ne kura ya memene mfeso enti social welfare for kakane omoje nkwada bi se hwe omo no se ne omo so omunni sika kro omo de akwada be ko hospital a
wo de omo mfa ne mreme
ye howa
simple ye mfa ne mreme
kwajo onim se enkwada ya na ensem wo mo sa no omo na se urade ya dom na omo fam kakaka omo di yepa
ohene ye mfa kwada de mreme
omo di yepa
wo de me amekwa kwa hwede chia kwan ye mfa ne mreme
kwa hwede chia kwan because wo enhihye bi e wo se kom tutu na so omo mfa ne mreme omo mfa ne mreme
dabi meko social welfare na won kan ha no ye mfa ne mreme
wa ko wona ko o mi ade a
ye mfa wo de mfa kwada ne mreme aba ade
na oman ni so make provision for eniem bi say
me say ade a ho hia no the Ghanaian politicians do not think about
ye tumi ye bibi ase o we dia ye emergency ni ye tumi approve bibi ni ye dia ye enti ye ntumi nye ba bi asa nkwada ye de wo beko shelter ye de nkwada yi beko
oman ya asem we metaka me say oman bi anwene nkwada ene emma ho no enye ye da papa say ma
na ne Ghana nso de eno so wa chichi
captain
esanse wo hwe ya mamre ne amane ye kura dinam ya e ka ma hye
hey ye be bompa ye wo wiase nyina se ya nwene ma ne nkwada ho a oman ye da
unse emma anya hwekra na emma for me more than 50% of the population ena enkwada nso ka ho nanso bibia ni a yeso oba de woton atuduro wa ba ton nya do wonton atuduro ni aka o ma
ministry ya chese ministry no den ya we maami ni obeya nso obetuka akwo no mo no akwa hyehye bone ebeboa ebekwa akosi sen
no your friend outward 9 cities efe
ma nkwa ma no so ne honorable Elvis Morris Donko MP owo Abra Asebu Kwamankese constituency the constituency mo na sansemi ekos honorable good morning
Captain. Hello.
Honorable Patrick saying
Nyamina Adumo yo Adum za chen.
Patrick Abraman school no huye.
Mpacho no huye pa otinana na adu. Oru kwenenyim papa.
Medase. Patrick abofaba kakraba wenya 5 years we twane say aba plan or homan.
Yo Captain medase ozikan mfa enchia sonko mfa ma wetu ifunyinara. Abrasi bukamanka say embrake krenyi yenzin onya da kra o Ghana say yakaya ochiami bi na yere menke busuafo ya wo hwe won kwa oncheri bi aso busu panyin bi zamna mafu wan nsem bi also wupun dem ebusu panyin na iso wa botodo nti we less than 6 months abrasi bukamanka say yenzin wa ba medium in a very negative manner. Captain Metse Damasemi in the Damara Mutana man me call hospital na mfa ndaso sonko mfa ma next yi penyina ohwe mo fama wo friend madam Ifia Atakra o DDNS ohwe mo fama openyin be se abotara we nya na wa ma waze hwe afra otedam na bi se obia sempo bi se obia peswa hospital management na nkasa mko waja atum de nundru semini na for now they will wankasa oboshe a friend mokro also be hu so there a friend ne distance relative na the family diara onko hospital ho na onko hwende a friend no what the na another no what the na a friend mum only 5 years as median work with 9 years or one.
Okay, honorable na the reporter na may said there. Honorable line in my star be Yabesa from honorable. The line in my style be na fe. Yet me hu dey say yakoye. Em yapa.
Kwadu areho.
Yam yapa.
Areho. Na empempi no. Yebe kan say ya ebe wiase na nkosi ba bia. Na afi yato na jeje mu akwete se de sebe obi ani ne ewu ewisi ana se janka. Yese yenyasie emu ni wie a afi janka na ne dabrim kra ye den. Obi awrefi na ho aye den ama no. Ni ato na jeje mu ye bom pais we de enkosi sa.
Honorable Pacho no pay your reporter na ka kire say na social welfare force wo mu ni enough funds to take care of akwala no. You be anything? Hello. Honorable Ntimenka.
Hello.
Pacho fe Ntimenka.
Sisi aze meti.
Good. Mr. Na your reporter na kitchen na no pay there. Social welfare force wo nyi sika wo ho a obetum za hwa abofraba ne. Na me bi said enyima aba plan no wo ho.
Your captain enyima mokro ho ande den me yiska to ho there mo hon hwe a friend na nurse so so ka me de eya enyubri e won shida mo ne ban enyubri nti it's making my provision so my friend nti me make provision there every evening biara one kama a friend exam na and so what to provisions kakra so na was a cash na for there anytime biara when here bibi dem on here ebia milo ana de ebia also we tum na wa man bi ma wa no yeah na ma say obefi hospital where ebia mankasa kwa make take responsibility of him mankasa personally mo children shelter do as able me share mo family bia what them so they will be integrate one into ebia into one family and they will connect one with one family nti me social welfare for so million bellies if possible na ya share them kan but for now only mankasa personally me take full responsibility of a friend no hunya manyinara nti nda kwa promise one to try and carry na because one father program one farm ma a friend ewo hospital and for now the make provision make the BBA DDNS our friend Madam Atokra our children's ward the on BBS nya one firm na mu kana mafadna mabua
but try a catch Madam Atokra de da na se papa pa na da yet say there was Miss Moro Shabo Fraban oya konom pokeke I da na se man I
so Captain the woman is so fantastic seriously ansa na mankasa kwapo moko hono kwapo na another way look to kumiska wa to indru na ze ebibi afin biara nankasa we make provision intizied na say but captain America bibi ayam fine na adwuna nkodo afan apart from the way trying to captain say sha friend honam pa be ya was a bro a friend like a friend nyinara mamu say there talking to a friend extra back at friend so now swears na kakra but that doesn't warrant any parent today be also but now swears na ebutum na enyina afa dem kwan no do so if you friend how cry when you nurse for kasa like very rude manner but abia from how was it treated with you na why them but on warrant today abia ya ofna so back to them ebutum na yen them see journalist for project work one share France nobody one share no honam mbeya wa kwafa no honem pa na also 1.2 Ghana parent also why one ba na there one step children the man also we na we jay
abofaba no 5 years per bia
me pocho only 5 years or 9 years
or 9 years
or 9 years after 9 years me pocho only 5 years you be report now what about there 5 me pocho are wrong
okay
oh yeah or 9 years
or 9 years
after nankasa tumkasa
oh okay
nankasa tumkasa oh yeah
9 years KG2
enyo ebia wan co school nentam menye rekasen ehwa ohude like obi anhwe no monko school ezibano krapo captain oye than that friend me kids oye than that for no ye busy e wo fie because hospital when you nurse for kasa nurse for bakachu almost every second be after no pedozi almost like few minutes be out comezon few minutes be mankasa me crawl me less than 1 hour but it is in Penabin. And I shall watch from a commander. Angas.
Oh no,
but your friend age now, not one now. On Sacra.
And just there be a on to them bad treatment and into one maybe or ya natural eyes and na.
Oh, yeah, Captain. Bad treatment in Inter because then with a say for KK. I've run by automatically no bear someone because in Tia was a man who fee because maybe send there a fee Wabrena also and by the Bialo Simudani, Nankin Masmo, as some Kenyan and by the Bialo Simudani because maybe send next year Max now the captain it was bad. Bakado Pia Wenya rashes at Chara no Yara or like when you cry, you could wait you. No, nara. Mr. Nabas, no, and also, and banqueting. Nankasan, how can I make it the way? Next year, or yet then, no, some banqueting. A media houses and walk over, a be odd the winty, wo tu wo hu no ho marks na da nyamanyama na wo no ho if you won't take note of the marks no so ebia so no so ba to wutu wa aboa awofo wa e number da ma won so wetum na wejei
Honorable Mamenda was BBS Chira Yabekasa.
Captain Malcolm Dawana.
Mpatransa na ebe is a quick one. My social welfare for minyim de bia e be raise issue on the floor of the house now with whom oya obetuma resource social welfare for ya because almost every other constituency, every other district, they are complaining that when you resources are was a juma.
Yeah, Captain. Say urban childcare personally, my bipa for some time now. Na maybe I make a technically social welfare fund na ebia one board the private sector one so work with one board more from 1 year okay social welfare fund one board one. Rules and regulations na our Ghana in terms of adoption, in terms of first training na onye ejuma ewo Ghana because second social welfare fund say one resource one share be them captain present. Nti young fostering system nankasa mean there Ghana the way young family settings and also Ghana at times when very difficult to them for first and perform one and what first and perform will treat one the mate like one member family who couple ebia awu enke lebusia ho but going to other part of the world and captain say obi first to be abanenyu di afran no anyi nipa na wa first afran nyina nyi chi 24/7 and aban on one bibi kakra podo ebia one phone share a friend but if ebia government na if as a country kwapo yenis kade yeziba ma for ebia foster parents ma wada share mbofama kwapo na I know people are really willing and happy to support mbofama their work constitution with them but abandon the role of supervision in not then on any problem yawo orphanages no any homes na abandon your yes abandon your the institutions you wonder some of them will do a very fantastic job but I don't believe in raising kids in orphanages but young part of the world at times we don't really have the option than doing that in this abandon because they don't have them family one work or ebia orphanage work akra na there home work akra na say when your family dey obia over foster one then they do that. Just share the local adoption, sir, captain. Young family set up now another young family system and say obi adopt obi. So you can adoption. That means that the person is taking total control and over friend and the Boba to friend and a friend is in over Ben and citizen. But so you by yen culture numa family nanka extended family say a friend on fima mini ye fuma. They don't even treat a friend there or a part of the family. On many young problem, can see personally, in terms of young fostering, young adoption system, Ghana family, nanka extended family, nanka one year friend and 2 days, if you are free or a part of your family. Na say, Adom Suma say, I open a wild doctor friend, say, Wowa, one couple that some say, because I'm sure you couple now. Shela asa munye je patano kwapo paswa another simple kwapo oronko them a friend a wild doctor no nti nyina nyama to me say aban otumna odugu kwem ye ya otumna wa boy ne bofan ma sebio wonya baby wabetina another wonya ofu biara bosho wondo nti nyina ye nsama otumna ya start discussion now ne ya share where sir you should in the near future.
Honorable Donkano Pemedasi. Honorable Elvis Morris Donkoye MP wa Brasi Bukamankese constituency. Unconfirmed information BFF was West Wogon by election as a but NDC sympathizer back with Tuakano. Sepeu. Sir Otiasi and also on Tiasi no Yintimin can say, but it too ato ewo constituency name Manakani Pabako. I said police operations say.
Nwanwa kwadwo sa no ma bi say ya yempe. Enye de wo hu. Essence says or one constituency simple net me ko fa say ba. Na my wrong feeling be said 2020 enye betesa. Enye betesa, and these are some of the things we don't need as a country. We don't need it. Yes, it's ukokurumutiano nekoto aba na che nipa ope. Simple. The bia ya so ya na de ho toto abrofo na ukwa brucha na ukwa brucha sa no ma we simple. Just go and vote. U vote we are free ho. Edrusi e kenkan abra na be so candidate we ne ana wan we ne. Say bibia timi koso na say fair. You just go home and prepare and come again. We near to ben eko. Aya waso west to go haya kakrai ye chidwo wulu ha edikofa is lego ho ba bi ene yi kakrai ye ba wo leshi kakrai ni haye ye nkoto abanyi ni pa ba ko pe na no so ye koto atu how oh Edion
anya den
kodwo eden e bi before yasam kai different Kotuaba one na wo ka say politics nyosom adwuma nti wo kotuaba ko pa adwuma ma obi maame na obi papa ye keke no eno nso no mo kotutu atu wo ho security for no so they should be up and doing so far ye nim dia akoso nti ye mfa ne say e ya tisem
nti ye ntimi nye pilot project na ye mfa one district out of the over 300 districts are ye wo Ghana ano na ye mputi CCTV cameras across this entire district one district per
and no better who did what
at what point all in time. The streets, all the needed points, every part of that particular district. Na cameras all over. University for ya year computer science, year school, no mobile no money soldier ni police and kwa. No my brother boy, one year sack away. Now you found. Just monitor. Send any information be suspicious to the national security. National security analyze we are. Ghana Police Service for immediate arrest.
And no, you're bad. You bet me a You bet me a
okay,
and your political will no. And one problem no.
And no, you're number one. So political will no. My catch was a NDC MPP. When you waste. Mean Jai Kanda, they are the same. There's no difference between the NDC and MPP.
Difference they be wom.
Also no.
O ma change so there.
Oh, yeah, forget it.
Anyone careless.
Adwena mo ina adwena Ghana for ho ne pe. Adwena mo mienu nyina mo dwena Ghana for ho ina no e pe.
Ase kasa dodo.
Se ye yi won free ho a. That's mo mienu no opposition. Bo so mbedwen.
Ni akofa hwan.
Oh, you see, yenya ya adwen se ye pobi.
One question no ye you my
typical example France not traditional political parties no we rule country for over 60-70 years Macron no free our party we not take no and then Macron became the president of France in France
young man
Ghana and we should take a decision
say parties ni me no mu bia
simple. The country can identify somebody.
Oh. Yeah, someone.
Ronald Walker, Roland, good morning.
Morning, no, Captain.
Now, to say.
The Jamo, hey, yo. La Baulesi Junior High School, a Presby School, Yakanwa.
Okay.
Now, about 1 hour ago, and ya monitor election in the who said among phobia ya or security for or dress with hooded marks or more than Yama Kata woman. Woman Tadiana Yatro NSC into one to me who woman woman a sort of police for one just phobia being them no mobile na police for nan kasa no ncheda by apart from omo ye polling station security for no because and then kasa no security for no account and omo ye election into immigration for no nyina nso ka ho na edu be about 45 minutes ago no na yete say security for no Russia ko eye the lally Bremponi fear NDC candidate ni area mu hono na the fear no ewo la violation police no wo me da 9 wo mo chi wa nti eba na sa no na se wo mo gunshot bi na yete gunshot bi ewo ni fear ni ho na sa nchen ho enum na yehu se wo mo hye nkade tuntum no amode NSC descriptions no atonta de no so no aka fie se wo mo bo guys almost suspect say mo NDC for sympathizers no nti wo mo de act ne hama ne nyamanya nyina ebro wo mo fine enumwa na Sam George member of parliament for Ningo Pram Odi Mrika every Dalali Bremponi tie and a resident no eba polling station park no so ayala Baleshi Presby Junior High no na OTM ka se ye ku obi wo mo ye mienu ba ku ewu wo mo de etio abono ma wawu all kasa nsem ni nyira no kra ne ye ya bro no kama emuanso no mo bro wo mo ye NDC supporters better sympathizers no wo mo bo wo mo nti mi bisa akwati mpanyifo ne se wo mo ye hwan no na opanyin na mi no se we na me nsem nka ho nti ma me nkabi mecha mponyin ni bia ye me ntwan kakra na be ko akire na ye sisine dia se ko mo sina ba na me se onye problem election ma cover experience no wo nti ne ye se na titi bia no ye bebo ye homodin se ye be kan fodi na se ye be tini ene wo mo ataka na enumu nso no na se brutality no ko wo sha emoja oba de la Bremponi tie ne mu sa obe hu moja ne still me tutam tan fodi ni nyina mi bisa de la Brempona ne nkofo no na nkasa de mi ntimi hu ne de because ama macho man ne security for no abasie ho about 20 minutes ago director of police operations Aka police command secure for you na nkasa de ne nkofo eba ha nti wo mu nyina wo ha omo ye omone dalale Brempon nko for na edin kita wo bisa wo se edie na siye ona se mi bisa na se edie na sie ona se so ni so wodi omo ba no so mu nyum sanko for no wo adane wo mo bisa yen se NSC for no wo mo ye hwan no mo se me to mi hu wo mo da ti to mo yen ko for amaba new security system no ma e pe na ye nyina ye hu nti ene na esi there's suspicion say nipa ba ku ewu ya ba ye no the lady Brempon ni tie nenim no wo mo ka tre ye se ya rubber bullet no mo use ye nanso yan kasa me be say ye no based on nyama me hu no emoja ne apana ye se the bullet no anha na ekuno no ta wo he rubber bullet ni penetrate metal stores ni na chase enye rubber bullet wo shata na ba enye me na metre wo sha ntokro bullet ntokro ni nyina ebi wo walls no ho ebi so wo metal no metal stores ni nyina ho nti no wo sha yesi wa hali ama election no eko for police stations na wall la violation Presby Junior High School na say wontu kakra ba ho but one more year electoral commission for penny for na officers na one more guard election dey one more koso aye one more adwuma nti eno ho na yete ho sia
na mpacho nipa na Sam George eba ho be ka say ya bonu tuo no mpacho body ni mu ahu wawu ampa
ni nyina suspicious hu ye because nyankasa no tisia no hu se yede wa obia ate so we collapse to the DNA no means we just have conclusion is that there is a suspicion yen yeka but nyama me nya ka to nya me hu ne se moja ne nipa honam yen ketenkete ni nyina ye twitwa gu honomo aha ne de me hu.
Okay, but the one na ye bu omo na omo de hammer ne axe na de wa wu hu ye
me twitwa bi kra.
Okay, patch on me that bibia see share be sa fra
Yo
Kwajo, this is shameful. Enim guase ema Ghana politics because your boy won samra ne say eba election Ghana ebibire mu nyina nhwe yensua yen essence yete abato ase yete kamima menka biase eduru abato de a yedemu sonko one constituency out of the lot single one pe hede ekoso enkrofo na yese wo mo hyentade bia wo mo de de akata wo manim no sabe aha enye ninjafo ne ne wo mo ye adwuma Ghana bambofo enye wo no mokọ no makọ mask a wo hye mask de hunu na hwan se wutiri mu fan a wo be hye mask de akata wanim. What kind of life is this? Yenkoto abanko yi nipa ba akopɛ one constituency eno so gese tututu kofa embrante ehye omo mask ne ade na wo abrante na wa hye mask na wo kɔ no bisa won se nipa na obefa se kɔ hye mask no ono ne ba hye bidie. Oh Kwajo, we ma mentwa so no ma modua.
Okay, Pacho, obi donate 5,000 here for Colano upkeep. You be planning official visit to the child, but it's rather unfortunate. That's why I said unconfirmed. It's really the almost almost here. We now must report now. Roland Walker here, and say Sam George na dimrika fee. The la librempon fee the be can say itu ato ho amani pa na ba ko ewu ba Walker say on the nani no di hu ye say NDC sympathizers say ho no ye de akuma ne hamane ade na ye de bro mo nti moja no kura eda ebigu the la librempon fee no and what try be to Facebook ba me he ade Sam George Etroye. I say I have just been assaulted by several members of the NPP Invisible Forces attired in National Security Council shirts and vests. They fired several rounds of ammunition at me simply because I was doing my legal job of monitoring the Ayawaso Wogon by-elections. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, I am grateful to you. Okay. Sam George posted our post on Facebook. No.
Smart. Side to a true win no. And a din some phone ban. We report and see Sam George na Becca say Yakumupi. And it to I don't see beer in who asat now. Oh, same Crawford be ye San is the operative. One be starting the members of elections, they create that situation. Me, I've been involved in Ghana election only since 92. A cardinal part. Tomon Bebuyen Swami Macro Park no so no. That is how they started. Some people for Buendis for Ananya no crap because now me a polling agent. Nipa of organized mom call what done for him no and no be madam for. Wako say ya tutu abo. Said the enti tuo kan no etuo e kan no e what into am microphone by the line bimpon efie. Oh, you start creating a
Walker say
they am 10 crowd.
Walker say sympathizers no mo bu omo
eno de me minim why e ba ne sa. But I'm talking about Sam George and in the post Nanado ayeden oh on the bebu no Encrofor can say, one year invisible force no, only one. Now, some na no cray. No, some say Tarabane. Oh, we don't create that panic. Ma, as some no tension, ma, what you're trying Ghana ha. baby say was go wuji agbelem pase ho a eya na twitwitwi ba no a ere saka nyine de omo to aba wo beka say ya nto aba mpo wo oman no mu. But why should this create a situation now? Because I know this for Betram studio so ene asempa announcing mayhem. What ben kwasasem no ye bebo wa din nikrata so no ensi ho. So you are preparing the grounds for this. I'm urging the security forces, the national security forces, police, army, one my assign one to be up and doing.
All right. The Deputy Communications Director of the NDC, Bronga Half Raging.
Smart.
Also kakakra for just 4 minutes into
Miraho papa. Na said ye huni response I may offer some pine beat me a cania to Joe my Ghana. Reporter and say, dear or Tifu be an omeboa. Aside the nonsense, no course, so can say, and this is supporters near Buamu indeed, and I'm a boy. I have videos on my phone. Our colleague on hospital, Dian Kofoni Biaku, Moja a prem nipa.
Oh, yes,
let me get you videos. Moja a prem nipa. Nasa me wo fa air file defense amasa ne mana ekoso.
Have I filed in defense?
No. Na dia okay.
No, check the videos. Have I filed in defense here?
Smart. This thing started last night.
Last night.
Started and run adutie me pa. MPP Delta Force. Invincible Forces. Eko attack the vice chairman. Chairman Sofo Azoka. Eko ni fie. And for the video never want obi pistol. We saw everything. And then you couldn't because of by-election. And me offer some pine. So far, Zoka or me offer me offer Mammy Casa. Some Mukazoka fee. Dear Quasso, Ghana Police Service. Ghana Police Service. Mama me home so. One adena o ma compromise security no nti ene wonam ho a wonim BNI ena wonim CID ena wonim Delta Force. Da ben yeti kroma CID for a mask. Da ben yeti kroma BNI for a mask. But obi say CID atade no she mask. Why? Nana do dan kwaku fado nti de ode Ghana phone. Whom do we blame? He's the commander-in-chief of Ghana Armed Forces, the vice president, or a chairman for the police council. So common was by election. This is a moja shigua. Smart. Uji this said the idea and mabeye papa. Uji this said the idea and mabeye papa. No, so what is happening now? We should take it easy. NPP. Kofi Kumsin Oboni. Kofi Kumsin Oboni. Wasisa na do beye Ghana man penye nipa da one na da. And now da. Common by election nipa da one na. You see, smart. And near my question, respectfully, smart. Yeah, better be end this. You raise legitimate concerns. That's a Mahama and no power reporter now all granting interview. Not in your kind. Or say Station C, Santana Market. Voter register now electoral commission at the Bayern. Now you say 620. But on manual counting for an say a year 446. So for him free back home. We raise all these concerns. The electoral commission bet me a catcher and ra. So what this are letter no would be the attempt de bray. And no since as one ebano. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And penny for more home so. Ye the Jawa near the Aswao. It is incumbent upon our president say there should be peace in the country. And a baby a year to a part of our nation. And the NDC for ya the nipa no mako good Legon hospital sisi ameka say ya tutu omutuo eno na me di video ni kire wo no mesre obi a wo ho bia nhwe ne ho yi because o man na ya timu na eno obi anye safe under nanado
man na ye homra ye ba
done so much for me.